What is up, Handmade Alphas? So, huge news on Etsy today, in case you haven't yet checked your email. Etsy just unveiled their first paid package. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh no, Starla! Etsy's making us pay! Here's the thing, Alpha. I just did a huge Q&A on why all of these Etsy changes are actually a pretty darn good thing. If that's something that you've missed or if you're interested in watching, I'll go ahead and link it down below. That's going to explain my whole take on this whole new Etsy packages thing and why I think it's actually a really cool addition to the Etsy tools that we already have. If you're interested in hearing all about my personal opinions and marks, go ahead, look down below, watch the replay, get the full spin on what we think about all these Etsy changes, because in this particular video, I'm going to actually be applying for the package that has now been made available, the Plus package. It isn't their most premium package, which won't be available until 2019. So when that becomes available, I will also purchase it. I will also do a full rundown for you. That way you don't have to run and buy it yourself if you're kind of curious and you just want to see what it's all about. But basically, that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to buy this package for you live. Well, not live, but you know, I'm gonna record it. Plus, I'll be, of course, giving you guys my personal opinions on everything and what I think of all of the new things that they're adding. So consider this the first look. So from your Etsy dashboard, what we're gonna do is go over here into settings, and then we are going to be looking for our new option, which is called your subscription. So if you have this, it will say new beside it. And if not, you may need to wait until the 16th for these features to be available. So we're gonna go ahead and click on your subscription. Now, these are the 3 packages. Obviously, everybody has standard. Standard is basically what everyone has had all along, okay? So this is, nothing has changed. Standard is, you know, the normal, free, what everybody has. Plus is what is now available, or what will be fully available as of the 16th. It is a $10 introduction price, but this price is going to increase to $20 a month in January of 2019. If you scroll down, you can see all of the different features that you get. You get listing credits, 15 credits per month, which is fantastic. I don't think that these roll over, but it is really beneficial if you're someone who lists frequently. You get a $5 credit each month for your promoted listings, which is really cool. You have a lot of different features that you can check out. You can kind of just scroll through and watch these. There's a video that you can watch, but basically this is what the page looks like. There is also a FAQ section down at the bottom if you have any questions. And then the last package is the premium package, which won't be coming until 2019. I believe that they said January 2019 is when this will be available, but you really don't know a whole lot about what features are included in this. It is speculated that this premium plan is going to be more for larger scale Etsy shops, because I know that I think that someone said something about there being tools to help if you have employees and things like that. So when this becomes available, I will be sure to purchase it, if not just for the sake of showing you guys what it is, what it includes, and giving you the tour. So let's go ahead and upgrade my plan right now into Etsy Plus, and we will explore some of these new features together. Right when you click that button, you're going to get all of the features that will be included with your plan. And of course, you need to confirm that you, of course, want to jump into this new Etsy Plus plan. So let's go ahead and do that. Next up, we have this little pop-up box that says, "Welcome to Etsy Plus." So we're going to go ahead and take this tour. Let's check it out together. So first off, we have some of the features that they've talked about for your actual storefront. This says highlight your products and encourage shoppers to explore with new banner options that let you link directly to your items. So this is going to be really cool to check out. Next, we have bring shoppers back with restock requests. When an item sells out, shoppers can sign up to be automatically alerted when it's back in stock. So basically, if someone has something in their favorites and you sell out of it, when that item is back in stock, Restock, they'll get an email about it, which is really cool. Next up, we have Advertised with promoted listing credits. So these are the $5 worth of credits that you can get for promoted listings. And then next up, we have discounts on custom packaging and promotional materials, which I believe is through Moo. So that's definitely something really cool if you don't already have a supplier for your packaging and business cards. Next up, we have custom web address. So this is basically going to be a personalized web address that will link directly to your Etsy shop. For example, if I were to buy the web address, maybe artbystarlamore.com, which currently is not for sale. That's why my website is artbystarlamore.net. But if I were to buy, in theory, artbystarlamore.com, I could have that link directly to my Etsy shop. So basically they'd type in the .com and it would redirect to my Etsy shop, which that is something that you can technically already do through way cheaper sources than $20 a month. But it is a nice little feature to have. So let's go ahead and click done and explore some of these really cool new features. So the first thing that I am super duper curious about is this new banner feature. And I've also read a lot about new ways to showcase product. So those are all things that I want to check out. But the first thing that I'm going to do is click edit my shop because I really want to see what some of these new banner features are. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and click on this little pencil icon so I can kind of see what our options are. And it looks like you can link directly to a product. That is really, really neat. So this would link to a listing, or you can pick a section that your actual banner will link to, which is really, really neat. So just for example's sake, I might go ahead and link this into dragon key necklaces. Oh, describe the item or section in a few words. This will be added to the bottom right of your image as a button. That's really cool. So let's go ahead and just type in something random, for example. We'll say explore. Okay, so I have explore Etsy's highest rated skeleton key shop. We'll just put that on there for now. Oh, here it is. Cool. So this comes up almost as a little button. That's really neat. And we also have the option to change layout. So let's see, carousel. Oh, show off multiple photos one at a time and then link them to listings or sections. So you could have your banner, and then behind that banner, you could have tons of different really, really cool pictures of products. You could do a collage. The big banner, obviously, this is what I currently have. Mini banner, this is kind of what we had before, before Etsy updated, we had the mini banner, or you can choose to not have a banner at all. So in time, I think that this carousel could be really cool. And it looks like it is the same size. So that is really exciting. I might make a tutorial later about how to make different images for your Etsy banner carousel. If that's something that you're interested in, please leave a comment down below. That way I know that it's something that you would like to see, and just maybe I can give you guys some really cool tips on how you can optimize this carousel for your Etsy banner. But for now, I'm gonna stick with my big banner because I don't have anything else to put here for now. But that will be something that I will definitely explore later. So I have played with this quite a bit. I've tried to save it multiple times. I really want to check out how this feature works, but as you can see, it's not saving. So because this feature was just rolled out to me today, I actually emailed Etsy support to ask when it would be available to me so I could make this video. But because it is so new, it might be a little bit glitchy right now. But what I decided to do is say, check out Starla's all-time bestseller. And I actually linked this to my best-selling listing, which is my Dragon Lovers set. So once Etsy has had a chance to kind of figure out all of this and make these changes, I think that it's just a little buggy right now, which is typical anytime a website makes some major changes, but I will be sure to kind of play with that later on. The next area that I want to look at is this custom web addresses. This is how you're able to go ahead and get your new web address. This is with Hover, which you can actually do externally. You don't really need Etsy to get your own web address, but it does teach you how to do it. You have a discount on it. It looks like, let's see, sellers subscribe to Etsy Plus get 50% off registration for a .com, because no matter where you go, you're gonna have to pay for your .com, but there's a couple different resources down here that you could check out if that's something that you're interested in doing and you don't already have a website for your business. Alright, Alphas, well, this has been a quick tour of some of the new features that are included with this plan. I really wish I could have shown you more. However, I think because I literally just had this new plan added to my account, I think that it's still a little bit buggy. But if you're really interested in learning more about seeing some tutorials on how to create carousel banners and about learning about more of these features and how to use them, feel free to let me know in the comments, and I would be more than happy to create some more in-depth tutorials to teach you how to optimize some of these brand new tools. Thanks for watching, Alphas. If you like this video, be sure to also subscribe to my channel. Give the video a like. Feel free to comment on the video and let me know what other types of Etsy related videos that you would like to see. All right, Alphas, let me know what you think about the new Etsy plans down below in the comments. As soon as I know more about these Etsy plans and the next plan that's going to be rolling out, I'll be sure to make an updated video. I can do a Q&A on this if it's something that you guys want to ask questions about live. Feel free to leave your comments down below, and I would be more than happy to take some of your suggestions and maybe make some new content for you guys. Thanks, Handmade Alphas. See you later.